Hi everyone. Welcome back to OD9JASTYLES, where we talk all about hair, beauty, and style tips to help you shine every day. If you're new here, welcome to the family. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and trends. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for being part of this amazing journey. Now, let's dive into today's topic, trending braided hairstyles you want to try this season. Whether you're looking for something fresh and modern or timeless and elegant, braided hairstyles are perfect for any occasion. And in this video, I not only show you what makes this style so special but also share tips to make your braids stand out. So grab your favorite hairbrush, sit back, and let's get started. Alright, let's talk about why braids are stealing the show this season. First of all, they are versatile. Whether you have long hair, short hair, or anything in between, there's a braided hairstyle for you. Plus, braids are a great way to add a touch of personality to your look. From sleek and polished to wild and boho, they truly transform your vibe. Now, if you've ever felt intimidated by braiding, trust me, you're not alone. I remember when I first started experimenting with braids. It took a bit of practice, but once you get the hang of it, it's like riding a bike. And the best part, the compliments start rolling in immediately. People notice when you've put in that extra effort. Before we get into the styles themselves, let's talk about preparation. A lot of people underestimate how important it is to prep your hair properly for braiding. Here are a few quick tips. Start with clean, detangled hair. Trust me, nothing ruins a braid faster than knots. Use a little bit of styling cream or gel to keep things smooth and frizz-free. Keep hair elastics, bobby pins, and maybe even a small comb nearby. Having the right tools makes all the difference. Alright, with that out of the way, let's break down some of the season's hottest braided looks. Instead of just listing styles, I'll paint a picture for you. Imagine this, you're headed to a music festival, and your hair is styled in a fun, intricate braid that's not only comfortable but also Instagram-worthy. Or picture yourself at a formal event, maybe a wedding, and your braid adds that perfect touch of elegance to your outfit. Braids are not just hairstyles, they are statements. Now, here's a little challenge for you. I want you to pick one braided style from this video and try it out this week. Post your results on Instagram and tag me at your Instagram handle. I'd love to see your creations and even feature some of them in my upcoming videos. Another reason braids are so trendy this season is that they are super practical. With the weather changing, braids help protect your hair from damage caused by wind or humidity. Plus, they are perfect for those busy days when you just don't have time to style your hair, you braid it, and you're good to go. They are the ultimate time saver. Let me share a quick story. Last month, I attended a friend's birthday party. I decided to try out a braided look I'd been practicing, and honestly, I was a bit nervous. But the reaction was incredible. People kept coming up to me, asking how I did it and if it was hard to do. It reminded me why I love braiding so much. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling confident and unique. And that wraps up today's video on trending braided hairstyles you want to try this season. Which style are you most excited to experiment with? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, braiding takes practice, so don't get discouraged if it doesn't turn out perfectly the first time. The key is to have fun with it. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to me and helps this channel grow. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and join our amazing community. There's so much more great content coming your way, and I don't want you to miss a thing. Thank you so much for watching. Stay fabulous, stay creative, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
You